Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting essentials done quickly. Install Apowermirror on your computer and phone and make sure both run current versions. Once installed, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or plug the phone into the PC with a USB cable for a more stable link. Make sure you grant screen recording, local network access, and any USB debugging prompts on the phone. These permissions let Apowermirror capture and transmit the display reliably, so you can continue to the next step without interruptions. Now you move into the core setup. Open Apowermirror on both devices and scan for the PC name inside the mobile app. If using Wi-Fi, select the computer from the list and hit Mirror Phone to PC. If wired, choose USB mode and accept the computer's prompt. Once connected, make sure you select the correct audio and display options so sound routes through the PC when needed. These choices determine performance and latency, so choose wired for minimal lag and Wi-Fi for convenience. Finally, fine-tune for a smooth experience. Open Apowermirror settings to adjust resolution and frame rate so video looks crisp without overloading bandwidth. Once done, use the app controls to switch audio output, start recording, or full screen the mirrored feed as needed. If mirroring drops or lags, try a USB connection, restart both apps, or reauthorize permissions. These steps often fix permission or network hiccups quickly. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle the phone's Wi-Fi off and on to reset the local network if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.